Sun City, Sun City. The light lights the park and we see clearly, 'cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly. Sun City, 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 Sun City. Not everyone will have the chance to shine so bright.
Auntie,
It doesn't mean we should fight shine.
last night I was on campus. I was with my friend Namoko. Auntie, actually she has a room and her roommate has not moved in yet. So I pleaded with her to allow me be with her for a while. Some of her friends, Auntie, Namoko's friends, well, they also wanted to move in with her, so I had to move in quickly. No, Auntie. Yeah, I'm working to get my own place. Okay, I will. Bye. That's over and done with. Why? Is there any problem?
Oh no, no problem.
Don't you have manners?
Hi, babe. Hey, girlfriend. What's up? Did you have a tough day?
Yeah. Is it my period?
Yes, truly. Do you like it?
Yeah. It's just cool, but you know, I'm a little Kim girl myself.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and when I get my own place, I'm going to put a big poster of her together with TLC.
TLC? Where from that one?
Yeah, you know, I don't want no scraps.
No scraps?
Yes, definitely no scraps.
Your phone. Won't you receive it?
Is that spoiled buffoon?
Why? What's up?
Why? Because he took me on a shopping spree the last time around. And I'm sure by now he's left with nothing on him. And as I told you, no scraps. Probably he thinks I'm not his girlfriend or something. I'm sure he's going to call back. Just let me choose a nice tone that I will enjoy when he does. Because I wouldn't pick his dirty call.
Oh, come on. Have pity on the poor guy.
What? Did you say poor? Look, there is nothing poor about this guy. It's just that he doesn't know how to spend his daddy's money. And I'm helping him do that. Spend it. I told you.
What? He's calling again.
Calling back.
Did you join me? No, you go on.
Why has he stopped? Oh.
I thought you said you didn't have a lecture this morning.
Yeah, but I have an appointment.
An appointment?
Yeah? Baby, check this out. Is it okay?
I think the cut is too low. It will reveal too much. Change it.
Well, that is the plan. To reveal too much. What about this? Is it okay? How do you check it?
Don't tell me you're thinking of wearing this skirt. It's outrageous.
Thank you very much. That is just what I want to hear from you.
What are you going to see this early morning? That warrants you dressing up like a little kid.
For your own security. I don't know if I should tell you.
Oh, please, for my own security.
Yeah, or you still want to know?
Well, the person can't be that dangerous.
Okay, it's No.
Are you going to tell me or do I have to squeeze your neck?
Okay, let me save my neck. It's the hall master.
The hall master? But what for?
To ask him for a room. What else?
You mean to seduce him for a room, right?
Huh? Stop kidding, girl. You know there is nothing like something for nothing. So?
There is nothing like something for nothing. Kim, be careful.
Please, excuse me. I don't think this is short enough.
This skirt is not short enough. This is scandalous already and you're saying it's not short enough.
So you think it's okay?
I think it's too short.
Why? What is it? Do you want me to wear a gun?
No, I want you to look decent. And what is that for?
Well, if you want to know, these are for Mr. Osewach's eyes.
I don't know which comparison is more appropriate. Violet and Poison Ivy or Trinity in the Matrix.
Either of them would do, because both of them were determined and they got what they wanted.
Oh, okay, speak to you later. Yeah, bye. Take care. Huh. Who asked you to come in?
Sir, you were on the phone, so I knocked, but you didn't hear.
And how may I help you?
Sir, it's a long story, so...
So be snappy about it. Quickly, I have work to do.
Okay, sir. When...
Hey! Nonsense.
Sorry. Sir, when I got home at the end of last semester, my family had just sold their produce from our farm. So my father decided to give me my school fees there and then. I contacted the account office at the time, but they wouldn't take the money. They said it was too early. I was stuck. I didn't want to keep the money on me. So since we had 2.5 months holiday, I bought treasury bills. And I used the treasury bills to register for a room last week, sir. It is due in 5 days.
So, what's your problem?
The problem is, I went to check on my room, only to be told I've not been issued one because the treasury bill wasn't legal tender.
Yeah, the rooms are finished. They've all been given out.
Sir, I think it's unfair.
Huh? Are you here to solve a problem, or you are here to insult me?
No, sir. I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry. But it's so frustrating how one could have thought the treasury bill could stand surety.
Here, we deal with cash. You pay money, we issue you a room. Okay?
But the cashier assured me...
Cashier my foot. Who is the cashier? Do you know who I am? I'm the boss around here. I call the shots around here. Okay? Okay? Nonsense.
What do I do now, sir?
You are asking me what you should do. Am I the one who brought you to this school? Or am I your father? Young woman, if you have nothing to offer, this is the door.
Sir, can't you do anything about it for me? Please. I'm sharing a bed with a friend at the moment. so uncomfortable. Sir.
Young woman, the only thing I can do is to advise that you look for an alternative because the rooms have all been given out.
So, when should I follow up, sir?
Well, you can come back in 2 weeks or 2 years or something like that.
2 years? Thank you, sir.
Go. Small girl, you come and stand here uninvited and be telling me about your investment and treasury bills and so on and so forth.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, hello.
Can I please speak to you for a minute?
No, sit down. Sit down.
Alright, thank you. But please call me Kim. Kim what?
Okay. Kim, are you a student of this hall?
Yes.
And how may I help you?
Please, I feel a bit uncomfortable.
Very uncomfortable.
Can I take off my jacket?
Go ahead.
Can I hang it?
You can hang it there, you can hang it anywhere.
I prefer.
Okay.
Actually, I want a room.
A room.
Yes, I wasn't given one. I was made a non-resident.
Just this.
Sir, please, there's something in your head. Let me help you remove.
Remove it.
Okay.
Remove it.
Sorry, sir. It seems I was mistaken. Please, can I have a room?
You want only one?
Just one, yes. Just one. Is there anything you want me to do for you?
Anything you want me to do for you?
No, anything you want me to do for you.
Anything. Anything.
Are you okay, sir?
You have come to do me another one.
Oh, give us my baby. Oh, please. Oh my God, I still can't believe you did that, you know.
That I showed him my breast?
You didn't.
Yes, I did. And you know what? His eyes nearly popped out of his head. Then I quickly put my dress back on. Sir, the room.
Hey, don't worry about that. I have the power. Come around again. Come around.
That's better.
Which
Any would you? I just want any. Yes.
I'll give you 2.
No. I just want one.
Okay. 1.
Yes.
But really, Kim, I still think you should be very careful with that brazen behavior. I mean, not all men are that loose, you know.
Yeah, I try. Well, you can spot a lich from miles away.
Sometimes, girl. Sometimes.
Kim, tell me something. So, did he? No. And he shall never. I mean never. Sure. When ni ebe hukena. And so onna every see order.
You know that.
Hey, Kim! Why? What is it?
I'm surprised.
Surprised at what?
Surprised you're saying all these things.
Don't be. That's worse.
So that's really just the tip of the iceberg.
Hi.
Girlfriends, that's Nusra, it's my classmate.
Oh, let's follow.
Hello. Hello. You don't look yourself, you look distressed. Is anything the matter? Can I offer you it?
No. But thanks. I was just passing through. The whole warden is refusing to give me a room.
But I thought you registered last week. You told me registered.
Yes, but I put some treasury bills down in lieu of payments. It will clear in 5 days. The cashier assured me it was fine.
So what's his beef?
Well, they said here we pay in cash. And in any case, the rooms were finished.
Why?
This whole accommodation problem.
talk of the devil.
Who is it?
Guess who?
The whole
Bruce Eye, the pig. Do you know what? I've got an idea. Hello?
You really showed me something this afternoon.
You haven't seen anything yet.
Show me. When can I see you again?
Anytime you want.
That's my girl. Do you like your room?
Yes. I really like the room. Oh, it's so good. But I have a little problem. I have a friend who is finding problems securing one. Can you please help her for me? I'll be so glad.
That's more trouble. Tell her to see me tomorrow.
Really? Oh, thank you so much. You're so powerful. Okay, bye. Woo! You what? Hey girl, relax. She don't have any problem. He says you should see him in his office tomorrow.
Doesn't the word merit mean anything anymore?
Sun City, the light lights the park and we see clearly, 'cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly. Sun City, 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 Sun City. Not everyone will have the chance to shine so bright. It doesn't mean we should fight. Shine your light, show your might. Sun City, Sun City, Sun City. Shine your light. Sing him no ye, tease fiancé, call him no he. He walk as a